To start, we will first click on iCool and we will select our category. For now, we will first talk about U12 category. Once you open it, you will find this interface over here. Okay, this is what you have to check. Now, once you click on the vehicle and you can check the vehicle which can move forward, backward, left, right, so that you can take it to wherever you want and you can check what sensor is detecting what values and all. Right now, I can see here as there are 6 line follower sensors which are detecting some colors, white or black. In the previous video that you saw already, in that video you might have learned about how to follow the line. Where most of the students facing the problem is at this point where they have to take a turn. Okay, because here the line is broken, you can't follow the line to take the turn, and here also. So how to take these turns? Here it's simple. Whenever you detect a wall in front of it, you will use a ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is mounted over here and it will give you the distance, how many centimeters away from your bot. Right now for here, we will check how many centimeters this wall is away, and then we will take the particular turn. For this point, for this particular point, we can't rely on this wall because it will be not constant for all the movements. So that what we will do, we will detect this green line, and if green line is detected, we will take the turn. Similarly, if here it detects this sky blue line, we will take a turn. Dark blue line, we will take a turn, and here it is color red. If it detects the red line, we will take a turn, and again it will come here and detect the wall, and it can take the turns over here, right angle turns. So that can be done by the ultrasonic sensor. So in this video, we will learn two things. One, which is ultrasonic sensor detecting and taking turn, and second, which is color detecting and taking turn accordingly. Right now, for first of all, we will go to AI. There we will create a new project. Team ID, team name, and team project name will be same. You have to put your team's name as a team ID, and project name also will be your team's name only. Right now I'm making it as a team. Now once I'm done till here, what I have to do next is I have to create a statement. First of all, I'll be showing you how to take turn with the ultrasonic sensor. That's why I'll show you. I'll create a statement called ultrasonic or ultra turn. Okay, for this turn, what all things I'll need? I'll need to detect the distance of ultrasonic sensor. Okay, we will check how much is the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. So that what I'll do, I'll just open this simulation and then I'll click on robot. I'll click on this and then I can drive my robot. First of all, I'll take my robot to the point where I'll need to detect the distance. As you can see here the white line ends, so that we can't follow this line directly. What we have to do is we have to detect the wall which is coming in front, and then we have to take the turn. Okay, now you can see, as I'm going forward, as I reach near this white line, I can see that the ultrasonic reading is around 20 or 21. Okay, around 20 is there. That's why I'll do one thing. In the code, I'll write the distance is 20. Let's write how to write. Let's see. Here you have to define what values you want from the ultrasonic sensor. For right now, we want the maximum value, which is 20 centimeter. Minimum value, we will keep it as 0, so that whenever it is less than 20 centimeter distance from the wall, our vehicle should take a turn. And how it will take a turn? So it should take a sharp turn. For that sharp turn, I'll make my left wheel to move anti-clockwise, right wheel to move clockwise with the speed 30, and the left wheel with the speed -30, so that it will take a sharp turn. Okay. Now one more thing that we have to do is we have to detect the green line, and then our vehicle should take a small turn, not a wide turn. So what we will do, I'll show you how to detect the green line and how to write a code for the green line. Make sure your color detecting code, whatever you are writing, it should be on the top, because first it should detect the color and then other things should happen. So I'm writing it just above the ultra turn for now. Okay, so as we know, green color, whenever RGB color sensor detects, it gives the three values. First value will be about red, second value will be about green, and third value will be about blue. So right now we need green color, so we will say if green color is maximum, which is 255, and other colors can be whatever they want. Then what we will do, we will say set our, because we have to take a slight left turn, so we will say set our left wheel to 20 speed and right wheel to 30 speed. But for how much duration? Duration will be 0.25 seconds. In 0.25 seconds it will take a good amount of turn. Okay, so we will test this code. Before testing this code, I'll write the full code about the line following, then we will test code, and I'll again explain you all the code sequence wise. Exact turn. Now in this, what you can do is you have to take care is you have to take care of the sequence. Okay, the line follower code should not be before your color codes, otherwise it will not detect the color or it will not behave as you want. Always your color code should be before your line follower code or any other code, because first it should execute your color detection and then whatever, it always flows into one line. Okay, so it's bit sensitive, you have to keep in mind, and you have to write this code in a sequence. First of all, we will check. As you can see, it is doing the line following smoothly. Let's check what will happen at this green point. It will try to come out, but we have gave very less speed so that it will not come out of the line. It will again join the line back. Yeah, same thing was here as well, so that it went through the line properly. Let's check about the ultrasonic turn, and it took the correct ultrasonic turn as well. Here also it detected correctly and took the turn. Correct turn again. Till now we have collected 7 checkpoints, and then we are moving ahead for our 8th checkpoint with the ultrasonic turn. Here is the catchy part where we have not coded it for the right side turn, but we have made it to turn like sharp, so it will rotate and catch the line back automatically, pass through the tunnel, and then it will finish its line. Okay, 1.59 seconds is the time it took